Hey,
How are you?
great, you?
Not bad, not bad.
Okay.
No one else is here yet?
I don't see anybody else yet besides you. Yes, it's only the two of us. I'm trying to send them another message quickly. Maybe it's- Yeah, I don't see anybody else. So should we just start and then if when they come in, we can
It's okay with me, yeah.
they can join in.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have any question before we go ahead to the quizzes?
No, well, chapter 9 was a little difficult, but we can get there when we get there. But
Okay. All right. Yeah, because the lesson 8 is just a review of everything for the exam.
yeah, wasn't too bad.
Okay, so let's go to quiz for lesson 8 and then we can do lesson 9.
Okay, sweet.
And I don't see anybody else. Okay. Quiz. All right, so I'll go ahead and start. Question number 2. Which of the following variables is are categorical? Number 2, a randomly selected brand of toothpaste at a convenience store.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That was the only one.
Sorry.
That was the only one, right?
For
That was the
what?
only for number 2. That was the only
Yes.
because you can pick more than one. Like you can check more than one. I was just confirming that you just put the middle one.
Yes. Sorry. Yes.
Okay.
Just number 2. The middle
Okay.
one.
Okay, sweet. Number 3, the mean IQ test score in the United States is 100. Test 20 randomly selected statistics students took an IQ test, and the mean of their scores was 112. Which of the following statements is true? And I put that 100 is a parameter and 112 is a statistic. Is that what you got, or?
So let's see. Which of the famous statement is or true? Yes, that's right. I got that. So 100 the parameter and 112 a statistic.
Sweet. Good.
So let's go to number 4. Yep. Rodham City has 4 distinct neighborhoods. The property values are very similar within each neighborhood, but they vary considerably from neighborhood to neighborhood. One neighborhood has very low property values, and another has extremely high property values. Property taxes are usually roughly proportional to the property values. And what type of sample should we collect to gauge the residents' responses to a proposed increase in property taxes? A stratified sample.
Yeah, that's what I put.
Got. Okay.
That's what I put. Okay. So, when designed experiments are conducted in a public school system, researchers typically choose a particular district and randomly select teachers of, say, the 4th grade students in that district. The experiment is thus conducted using all these students in the selected class. Which type of sampling scheme is implemented? Is it just a simple random sample?
Let's see.
Because I think I put a systematic random sample before, and it said it was wrong. So
I've got a cluster sampling because according to the definition, all items in one or more selected clusters or blocks.
okay.
So
the cluster sample?
Yes.
Okay, sweet. Sounds good.
And that was right when I did it.
Okay, good.
So number 6, at a school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended was entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected to receive door prizes. Which type of sampling scheme was implemented? A simple random sample.
Yep, that's what I got.
All right.
Okay, no special interest group is conducting, or a special interest group is conducting a survey regarding wolves in Yellowstone, a national park, to adequately gauge opinions on both sides of the political spectrum. The researchers took the list of registered Democrats and selected a random sample of 100 people, then took a list of registered Republicans and selected a simple random sample of 100. Which type of sample scheme was implemented? And I think I put this is 7, right? I put a systematic random sample, but I don't know if that's right.
So let's look.
It was between that and a stratified.
The systematic will be every item in the population. So I think it'll be a stratified random sample since we're doing clusters again, groups or blocks.
Yeah.
And then take a random sample from it.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
So let's see. Question 8. Using the software for question 8, I've got 4.771.
Yeah, that's what I put. Yep.
Okay.
We're number 9 now. Number 9. Number 9, I put 1.912.
Yeah, and number 10 is true.
Hi. You said 1.9112. I mean 12. Sorry, yeah. Thomas. Okay, I've got that too. All right. So let's see. Hey, Sarah, you join us?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're at question 10. Do you have your quiz open? You want to go ahead?
Yeah, I got true as the answer.
Yep. I got it true too. Thomas?
That's what I got.
All right. So let me see if somebody else. Okay. So let's go to number, let's see, 10. 11. I'll skip the information, or do you guys need no? Because we were supposed to do it. So question 11, I've got minus 0.165.
Yeah,
Yep.
really.
All right.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Sarah, can you hear us?
Yeah.
All right. So did you get that too?
Yes, I did.
All right. So, okay, we're back at Thomas, number 12.
I put 0.681.
Got the same answer.
Yeah, I did. Too. And question 13. What quantity is equal to the sum of the numbers in the square deviations column? And none of this is correct.
That's right. None of those are correct. So question 14, what is the standard deviation of this temperature? I've got 0.715.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
And question 15 is false.
Yep.
All right.
16 is Shadra.
For number 16, yeah, I got extradural.
Okay, so all right, and so then 17.
I got 8.
Yep.
I've got 8 too. Okay, can we? Thomas, you want to do 18?
Yep. 18, I got 50%.
Yep, 50% too. I'll do 19. I've got for the mean 2.055.
Yep.
And with 20, I got 0.233.
For 19?
20.
I
Oh,
got
sorry.
2.055 for
All right.
19.
Okay, sorry. You were talking about 20. Okay. Did you get the same answers, Thomas?
Yep. So for 21, I got, I think it's, 1.823 and 2.288.
That's right. I've got that too.
Okay.
So 22, the probability that a randomly selected student will score above 542.3 on the GMAT. I've got 0.5. Well,
Yep.
yeah, 0.500. 0.500. Okay, 23. Sarah, you want to do it?
Okay, yeah. So the probability that a randomly selected student will score below 600 GM 80 is 0.684.
I have the same answer.
For number 24, I got 0.316.
I've got that too.
For question 25, I got 388.
I have the same answer, 388. Question 26. The score that corresponds to the 90th percentile, I've got 697.
Yep.
All right.
And 27, I got 661.
Sorry, you said how much did you get?
For question 27, I got 461.
All right.
461.
I've got that too.
For number 28, I got 624.
Same answer. Question 29. The sample mean is 542.3.
Yeah, and the standard deviation for 30 is 31.123.
Same answer here.
Yep. For 31, I got 0.0319.
And then we round it to 3 decimal places.
Oh yeah. Whoops.
No worries.
The 0.032.
Got it. I got the same.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. So do you guys have any questions for Sarah before we move to lesson 9?
No, I don't have any questions.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
So let's move on then to lesson 9.
Which lesson?
Lesson 9 quiz, the group meeting quiz for lesson 9. Unless, do you guys have questions for any of the homework? Or
Yeah, I didn't have any questions there.
okay, so let's go to the quiz.
Red blood cell in hyperosmotic solution. Hyperosmotic.
All right, so I'll start with a question. Do you have your quizzes open, you guys?
I'm getting there. My internet's getting slow right now.
All right, I'll wait. That's fine.
Okay, yeah, I'm good to go.
What about you, Sarah? Do you have your quiz open?
I'm opening it.
Okay, I'm waiting then.
Okay.
All right, so let's just go in order then. We can all take one question at a time. I'll start with question 3. Let's see. No, I don't have anything. Okay. Which hypothesis involves the equality sign? Is the null hypothesis?
That's what I got.
Okay.
So let's see.
When putting the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true? That's a null hypothesis.
Yep. That's what I got.
Yep.
Okay. For number 5, I got HA equals. Well, it's number C. I don't know how to say, the two-tailed test one. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for the two-tailed test? It's C.
Yes.
It does not equal 10.
Okay, I'll do wait, is it me or is it you? No, it's me. Back to me. Okay, question 6. Which of the following represent the alternative hypothesis for left tail test? I know it's number 1, but like you said, how do you say it? The null hypothesis mean, well, whatever, number 1. You're right. To read that thing. So I've got HAU. Sorry, is that what you got, guys?
Yeah, I got number 1.
Okay.
Okay, so for question 7, the answer is the B.
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, so the outside.
Okay. For number 8, I think it is A.
Number 8. Let's see.
P-value is greater than A.
That's right. I've got that too. If it's greater than. Oh, I really need to learn those symbols.
Yeah, we have exam this week.
Yeah.
Yes, we do. It's not on.
But-
it's not on
but-
this stuff.
Hmm.
It's on chapter 7 to.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we don't have lesson 9. It's not part of the exam.
Which chapters?
Should be all the chapters we've studied until, let me see. Lesson 8 is the review, so until 7.
Yeah, I think 1 to 7.
So sorry, is it back to me?
Yeah.
And I forgot, or I'm lost. Are we at question 8 or 9?
Question
10.
10.
I,
Oh, sure.
I just did 9. Or wait, no. No, yeah, we're 9. We're 9. Sorry.
Okay. So which relationship will result in rejecting the null hypothesis? That will be B, number 2.
Yep.
Okay, so question 10. Which of the following would be the appropriate definitive antecedents? And the answer is the average claim amount is greater than $1,500.
Yep. That's what
Yeah,
I got.
number 3. Yes.
So for number 11, which of the following would be the appropriate null hypothesis? I put A, the average claim amount is equal to 1500.
I have that too.
Okay.
So let's go to question 12. The insurance company assumes the distribution of a sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption? It is a good assumption since the sample size is large. So number 1.
Okay, so question 13. What theorem or law justifies your answer to the previous question and is central limit theorem?
Yep, number 2.
Okay, so 14, which of the following is the test statistic as defined in this lesson? And I think is it the Z? Or no, not the Z, sorry, the S.
It will be the Z. So test statistic is the Z score.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Let's go to number 16. No, 15. What is the Z-score associated with this test? I've got 0.9, I mean, negative 0.900.
Yep.
Okay.
What is the p-value associated with the z-score for the previous question? That was 0.184.
Yep.
I got that too.
So for number 17, we would fail to reject the null hypothesis.
All right. Number 18, the conclusion will be we have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150.
Yeah. And number 19, there are 2 types of errors that can be made when performing a hypothesis test. Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true? And it's type 1.
Yep.
So for number 20, I put a researcher decided that instead of using a level of significance of A equals 0.05, he will use A equals 0.01, which as long as true. I put B, the probability of a type 2 error will increase.
Correct. 21. Computed probability of committing a type 1 error is 0.05.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay, we're done with our quizzes.
Sweet.
20 minutes due. All right, so any questions before we go? No? You guys are good for the exam?
I hope so. We'll see.
I know there's a lot to
So
remember.
for the exam, do we just take it on our own computer, or do we go somewhere else, or what?
Does it say? I did not open it. I think it's on the computer. Wouldn't it be?
I assume so, but I didn't.
There's a link to the exam, but I didn't read the link if it's the exam itself, or like you said, if we have to go somewhere.
Yeah.
Let me double check.
Are you all
No,
taking
it's a
this class?
quiz. Sorry.
Are you all
No.
taking
Yeah, it's on the computer, but I think they said like you have 4 hours and you have to do it within 4 hours. You can save it because the timer keep going.
Okay. Gotcha. Makes sense.
And I think we're allowed one front page of notes.
Okay. Cool.
Thomas, are you also doing it online?
What did you say,
Sorry.
Sarah?
I'm asking if Thomas is taking this class online as well.
Thomas is right there.
Yeah, I'm taking it online. I'm here. I live in Idaho, so I'm at
okay.
Rex. I'm at BYU Idaho. There wasn't any more classes at Rexburg, so I take it online, and I need it. So
Oh, that's how you do it. Okay.
yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you for meeting today. So next time, same time, 1 p.m., I'll send you the invitation just before we meet.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, see you guys.
Bye.
See you guys.